welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a really brief introduction to what are inside the file, since right now the files are just empty. So the first thing our file has is the manifest.json, which I have in here on my clipboard. If you wonder where did I get it from, it's fine. I'm going to post all this code on my GitHub gist. And the GitHub gist will be linked to in the description below. So here, the first one, the first key and value pair, which is what we do in JSON, is manifest version, and 3 is the most latest version. But if you do 2, maybe you're gonna make a team. And name is the name of the extension. Let's call this counter app. Save your work. Description. Give it a brief intro of what it does. Let's say a Chrome extension that is just for fun. Yeah, this that counts up or down. Here, icons. I have these nice little icons on here. I'm also gonna post it on GitHub if you need it. The default icons are like the default ones. Default pop-up links to your pop-up HTML, so when you click it, click the extension icon, it's gonna show pop-up.html. Wait, okay. Default title is when you hover over it maybe, and it's gonna say open whatever. Let's say count now. Permissions, yeah, we're not gonna stick with any permissions right now, but you might have storage to have a permission for storage, but we're not gonna have any right now. The service worker is the background.js, will just work in the background. Next is the pop-up.html, which if you're using Visual Studio Code or any editor with emmet enabled, press exclamation mark and hit enter. That's emmet. Title, you don't even need it, but let's just call this counter app. Wait, what? Okay. If you lost your Bouma, it's fine. It's totally normal. You just go to Bouma.io, download. Okay. Extract it like any normal program. As what I said in that video, get the min.css. Be sure to copy it, or else it's not gonna work. In your pop-up.html, you go link rel CSS. Instead of start.css, you be sure though Bouma.min.css. Now, try to load it onto Google. Go to Chrome//extensions. Be sure you have developer mode on. Load the pack. Counter. If you have this error, you should check your manifest.json. Are there anything different? Right now, you can check the could not load icon of the last specified an icon. Thank you. But we don't need it right now, so let's just erase it. Yeah. specify anything in the pop.html, but I'm going to show you what is in the pop.html later. So that's it for manifest.json.